Assalamu alaikum. This video is for my brother, sister living abroad. I'm from Pakistan. This is Islamabad and Bahria Enclave. This is Bahria Enclave, Islamabad. And this is Galleria Mall and Galleria Residency. This building is, and in front of this building, you can just see this park, and this is a beautiful place to live in. So my brothers and sisters living abroad in Europe and America, in Middle East, in Saudi or South Africa, this is the best time for them to invest in Pakistan, because this place, Bahria Enclave, actually is a place where the properties are computerized, so nobody can occupy your property, and you can enjoy, you can live here, you can invest here, you can purchase a plot, you can purchase an apartment here, you can purchase a house here, a house of 5 marla, 8 marla, 10 marla. So this is the time to invest in Pakistan, especially for those who are living in Europe, America. You can see that the surroundings, everything is changing here. There are wars in the world all around. In Ukraine war is there. Then you see the Israel and Gaza, there's a war. And Sudan, deteriorating condition of Sudan. So the proxies are all over the world. And the proxy wars are, they are starting the big powers, not the superpower. Superpower is Allah. So big powers to occupy land and to control the world, they want the power in their hand, and they try to rule the world, and they are ruling from a very long time. The Britain, the British and the Americans, they are ruling the world by regime change operation or for different, they use different techniques. So this is the time you may have to leave your places where you're living abroad, and you're living in Europe, America, Africa, wherever you are living. So this is the chance for you to invest in Pakistan. So if you invest in Pakistan, so invest your money here, start your business here. It's good for your family. This is your homeland. The circumstances in Pakistan are changing, the political environment is changing, and inshallah it will be better. The economic conditions, the political conditions, everything inshallah is improving. There are, good and bad is everywhere in the world. So this is time you must think how to change your location when you feel like that this is a time to invest in your own country, nowhere else. Invest in your own country, in your own land, and this is Pakistan, and this is the best place to live in, to invest in, right? So brother and sister, if you want to get any further information, you can contact me on my phone number. I give you my phone numbers. My number is 0337 981 5894 and 0300 These are my telephone numbers. So you can contact me and get the complete information here if you want to purchase a plot or apartment or any sort of information you want. I'll provide you the information. So Pakistan is the very beautiful places in Pakistan, very hilly areas. In Pakistan there are deserts, there are plains, there are hilly areas like Swat and so many, Hunza, Gilgit. So you can also buy a property in those hilly areas, and the best is that you invest in Bahria Enclave. Time to invest because the town planning is very good. Here the town planning is very good, and there are 5 layers of security, 5 tiers of security here. On foot, the security on foot, security on motorbikes, security in car, security in big intelligence. Also, there is a secret intelligence of Bahariya. Always, they are always watching people what they are doing, and so the place to live in for your future, for your children. Invest here, invest in Pakistan, invest in Bahariya enclave, and this is the time for invest because the prices are still low. When there will be peace in Pakistan, then the prices will go high, and then it will be difficult for you to purchase property. May be difficult or may not be difficult, it's up to you how much you can invest. So, but you must have you must give some thought to invest in Bahariya enclave, Pakistan, for your future, for your family, for your children. And please come here, and you can get apartment on rent. Stay here for 1 month or 15 days and go all around. And there are so many state agents are there. They are contractors, they are engineers. If you purchase a plot, you can build up your own house of your choice, of your design, for your future. And you can purchase a shop here, you can purchase apartments. So this is best time to invest in Bahariya enclave and in Pakistan. Thank you very much for listening and watching my video. So all around there are hilly hills, no? These are hills of Islamabad, Margla hills all around. Margla hills, you just see these are Margla hills all around. There are apartments, plazas,